Oy, ang galing. Nag-read ka ba? Ha? Oy, very good. If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy, you know it, clap your hands. Where's the fish? Baby, where's the fish? Is that a fish? Lion yan eh. Siya, kiss the lion, dali. Come on. Kiss the lion. Dali, go. Kiss the lion. No. Oh, very good. But that's not a lion. Hindi naman lion yon. Dali, baby. Look for the fish, baby. Where's the fish? Find the fish. Where's the fish? Dali. Look for the fish. Oh, very good. That's a zebra. 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 Ay. Oh, dali. Look for the fish na. Where's the fish? Where's the sun? Where's the fish? Dali.
Look at those words again. Now where is the word pond?
When you find the fish, kiss the fish, baby. Dali. Baby, where's the fish? Dali, look for the fish.
Can you shake your head?
Oh, that's a cat. Oh,
Try to
fish.
shake your head.
Uh-oh, what's that? Horse. Horse.
Should you look at the word
Very good. Horse. Horse. Teka, hanapan ni Mami yung dog, ha? Ay, oh. Here, baby, oh. Oh, dali. Oh, dali. Look for the dog naman.
Now, see if you can find the word no. Try to touch
Oh, where's the dog? Dog. No, yun, dog. Oh, dog. Very good.
the word champion and act like a champion.
Oh, what else?
Remember,
Oh, shut, kiss the dog, dali. Kiss the dog. Kiss. Kiss the dog. You kiss the dog. Oh, very good. Very good. Oh, ano pa? Point your shoes. Where's the shoes? What's that? Apple. Caps. Ball. That's a ball. Yes. Ball. Oh, what else? Look for the dog ulit. Look for the dog. Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Paano nga pagtatawagin ng dog, baby?
No.
Baby, tawag ang dog. Baby. Wax. Tawag ang dog, dali. Wax. Baby. Wax. Where's the dog?
Mouth.
What's that? Cat. Where's the cat? Point the cat.
Can you clap for the cat? See if you can find the word baby. Point to the word baby.
Uy, labang ice cream. Oh, say bye na. Baby, bye. Baby, bye na. Wax. 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 Baby. Baby. Baby, bye. Say goodbye.
You can make new words.
Bye. Where are you going?
Head up.